What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Sharina for all of my new subscribers, and the word on the street is HTVRONT has a brand new Tumbler automatic heat press. Yes, a brand new Tumbler automatic heat press, and it's been making a lot of noise in the craft community. So today we're gonna do a review on it, test it out, and see if it's indeed worth all the hype. So let's get into the video. Here's the Auto Tumbler heat press. I will link it down in my description so you can check it out. They provide you with heat resistant tape and gloves along with the heat press. The heat press itself is small and compact. It doesn't take up much space at all, and it was surprisingly light. It was very light. It wasn't heavy at all, and that's what surprised me, because you would assume that it would be heavy, but it was not. And because it's an automatic, there's no fancy handle for you to pull down and release, so that's a plus. It has instructions on how to operate the heat press, also time and temperature settings, which is a plus. Once you plug your heat press up, it's a digital display and all the buttons are pretty much self-explanatory. You have your power button, which turns your machine on and off. You have your temperature button and a time setting button. Your plus and minus button are to increase the temperature or decrease the temperature, or increase your time settings or decrease your time settings. The logo button is to close your heat press, and you can mash it again to open your heat press, but once your time is run out, it will automatic open on its own. Today in this video, we're going to be making a 20-ounce tumbler and 2 coffee mugs because the heat press is compatible for both. We are going to be using HTVRONT 20-ounce tumbler, and I got my images for these projects off of Etsy. Again, I got my images from Etsy.com, and the first step is you want to tape your images down onto your cups. And I'm using clear tape, although they provide you with tape. I like to use the clear tape because it doesn't stain the inside of our tumbler press. Sometimes that brown tape or yellow tape will stain your press, and since our press is new, we want to keep it looking clean. I do want to say that if you buy 20-ounce tumblers from HTVRONT, they do provide you with sublimation paper, straws, straw cleaners, and shrink wrap if you're going to use the conventional oven. So if you buy the tumblers from HTVRONT and the heat press, you have everything you need besides your image to make a sublimation tumbler, which is phenomenal to me. I do use a Pinch Perfect when I'm doing my tumblers now, just to make sure that I get my image nice and tight and wrapped around so that I don't have any ghosting. That helps a lot. For my tumblers, I have my heat press set at 380 for 120 seconds. And I got it surrounded in parchment paper. It's not necessary. And for my coffee mugs, I do 380 degrees for 360 seconds. And again, the heat press closes all the way, so you don't have to worry about turning or flipping your tumblers or your coffee mugs, because the heat press closes all the way and doesn't leave any gaps, especially for your 20-ounce tumblers. That is a plus. Times and temperatures vary on the person. I don't really think time and temperature matters as long as you have a great outcome. So you will see people say different times, different temperature settings. I don't think it really matters as long as your cup isn't burnt, you don't have ghosting, and everything comes out perfect. Time and temperature does not matter. I like to make sure that my cups are cool before I remove the sublimation paper and reveal my image, just so that all the extra ink can soak in. I don't know, it's just a thing that I do. But anyway, look how our tumbler came out. It's so cute. It reads, "Life is like candy. Sometimes it's sweet and sometimes it's sour." But stick around because this cup has a special little top. And this is a sassy coffee mug. It says, "I match energy." So how we're gonna act today. I loved it. Again, I got this off Etsy. It's super cute. And the last coffee mug says, "Coffee is when your brain needs a hug." For all my coffee addicts out there like myself, I have to drink coffee every day. So again, I got this image off Etsy as well. So here's a close-up so you can see how everything turned out. The colors are nice and vibrant. No ghosting. I like the way the colors stand out. The colors are nice and clear and vibrant as well. And for the tumbler, I made a 3D ice topper with little candies at the top to go along with the theme. But look how cute that turned out. Listen, if you want to learn to make ice toppers, let me know down in the comments, and I will try to make a video to show you guys how I do those. I actually have one I'm going to tag to this video or put it down in the description. But that's it, guys, for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Check out some of my other socials, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.